you have 2 Timothy? All right, chapter 2, verse 22. If you have that, say amen. Read it with me. What does it say? Flee youthful lusts. By the way, a lot of youthful lusts are also old people's lusts. They may be more dominant among the youth, but if you're a human being, a lust can be found up and down the ladder of ages, whether you're 17 or 117. But Paul tells a young man, flee youthful lusts. What does Paul tell the church in Corinth? Flee fornication. What's our subject? Run. In other words, you must make an active effort to avoid succumbing to a proper and legal and legitimate urge that we may be tempted to exercise outside of its right bounds, whether appetite or sexual activity. Flee youthful lust. But there's a rule that says for every action there's an equal and opposite reaction. There's a saying, there's no vacuum in nature. It will be filled by something, whether by something material or something gaseous. It will be filled. Now, let's read 22 again. Read with me. Flee youthful lusts and follow righteousness, faith, peace, charity, with them that call on the Lord out of what? A pure heart, which means those you hang out with have a tremendous impact on your moral behavior. Look at the verse again. Flee youthful lust. In other words, you go in that direction, but the opposite to flee is follow. You see, you cannot flee and do nothing else. Now follow charity, faith, righteousness, faith, charity, peace, with them that call on the Lord out of a pure heart. Who are your friends? Who are your associates? What pressures do they put on you? Even if they put no direct pressure on you, just by being in their company, pressure is placed on you. Just by being with them. And some of them are in the church. You cannot hang out with everybody simply because the person goes to church. You got to choose your friends, what's the word? Wisely. Because when you get into trouble, those friends will be on vacation somewhere. People who lead us into sin are never nearby when we get into that trouble. Flee youthful lust, but follow righteousness, faith, charity, peace, with them that call on the Lord out of a pure heart.